Hi, I would like to welcome you to this series of videos explaining how we can build a Hangman game. First of all, we need to create fragments and so on in order to do all the applications. So looking at this parts here, uh, what we need to do, we need to divide our screen to really two parts, but then we can add fragment to it. So then we go and create a fragment. This one fragments, change the colors here. Here it is. So this is a fragment. We can create a fragment of this one. While these ones, I just put them as part of uh, the main activity. How can we do that? Really, we can create. This is the linear layout here. And in order to do this, they'll create a linear layout vertically. Does this for us. All right. Default, this is horizontally. Here it is. So if it's vertically, we're going to create this. Yeah, so I'm going to go screen, whole screen. Then we're going to create fragments and we can add it horizontally to it. Right. So of course, this is zone 0 and this is zone 1. So that's a split if it's vertically. If it's horizontally, get the other way around. Right. So in order to do that, I already created the projects for this. Just go in here, and that's what we did here in here. So we can see I've got the layout of the screens. So in order to get these two, this one, if you notice, they're vertical. It is vertical, and this one vertical as well. So I've got both of them. This is the parent, and these are the kittens here. So click on this one. That tells where it is. So this one is here, and this one is here. Notice this one, the weight of it, the color of it, right? Is the height 0 dp, and of course the height is 0 dp. So split that screen for us, right? So doing that, in order to add the fragment, which is already the color, we can come here and I can go and create fragments, blank fragments, and I would call that fragment as game control fragments. Fragments. Yeah, it is. Right. Of course, I got to create a layout for me as well. It is. That's going to be done. So really, that's the file. We'll get rid of all this here for the moment. We don't need that. And take all of that, leaving just the last part. Leave it as this one. It is. So I've done this. And of course, I've got my main activity and I've got, this is my fragment. So really, because it was red color, let me get rid of this here and I give it a background color. Let me go in here and say background. It is background. That's going to give me background color. And I go and say give me the red. And here it is. That's the right one. As is done with the, I'm going to do it as linear layout just to make sure. There it is. Done. All right. Now I can go to the activity main Java and I need to add this one next to them. So the whole screen for all of them. All right. So what you can do, you can, before you do this, yeah, you can create your fragments here. So I'm going to go and see here. I think I've got this one already. It's here. There it is. Right. So I'm going to create fragments. The fragments, you have to have a name for the fragments, right? So in case, there it is. If you want to need the fragments here, I just take its parts here. Move this one, and I'm going to say this name is equal to, give it the full package. Here it is, AC, right? The name, you name your bots, right? And there it is. So that's actually sorted for us. Run the program and see what's that going to give us based on that. And we can have a look at the mobiles and see what the output looks like. It should look like that, but in horizontal way. Was really vertical, but it looks horizontal. Right. So you should have the red here, the blue on the top, and the green underneath it as well. And that's what it is. So that's actually is going to give us all this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a button here to play, and it takes text view here, and of course you need the word to appear here as dots, and you try it. What you gotta put in here, and you gotta tell yes or no, and so on. So this is actually version one of the game, so we can build on the top of that. All right. I hope this video uh, helps you to understand actually how would you start with the application. Thank you very much.